Hey everybody, welcome to ThinkWire. Today we'll talk to you about how to be more productive and give you some simple productivity hacks to help you 10x your productivity. There's many reasons why it's important to be productive, and some of those reasons include doing personal projects as well as being more productive at work. Being more productive can give you a feeling of accomplishment and help you feel good about yourself when a project is completed. Let's talk about some simple productivity hacks that can help you be more productive. Build your routines. Make the routine your own, and once you've decided on your routine, it's essential to become more productive and be consistent. Build your routine with intention, with a goal in mind, and build that routine around your needs. The key is to keep it simple and realistic, to make it achievable and sustainable, and most importantly, enjoyable. Make it a habit. It takes about 21 days to form a new habit. Keep focused and don't allow anything to distract your routine. Most people find taking one small step a day makes it much easier. By taking small steps, it'll help you create the habit a lot quicker and without pressure. Plan your routines. Make sure you give your routine structure. Having tools to help you keep structured and organized can be very important. There are 3 helpful tools that you can use to create your structure and keep focused. The first is Notion. It's easy to construct and an excellent tool to take notes and manage tasks. Trello boards. You can use Trello in a Kanban format. As you achieve your goals, you move it along. This is great if you've set goals for a week, month, or year. Journaling. Document your journey to a more structured life. A lot of people find that writing helps reinforce their plans and goals more effectively. Don't forget to document your wins. Organize your space, declutter, and keep it clean. A clean space is a clear mind. A cluttered space can be overwhelming and distracting. Make it one of your habits to clean your desk every night and morning to start afresh. This will create an efficient workspace for you to focus and not get distracted or overwhelmed. This may be one of the most important habits to form to keep you motivated and organized, and most importantly, productive. Make it a therapeutic routine to start your day. It should give you a sense of peace and prepare you for the day ahead. This may be easier to manage and help you have a clear, peaceful, and organized space. It should clear your mind, help you feel organized, and give you new ideas and energy to do new things. Discover new hobbies. Find something you've been craving to do for some time and build it into your daily routine. You'll see how it changes your life. Don't have high expectations, just enjoy it and see how you improve by learning something new each day. Seeing progress will give you great satisfaction, something that you'll actually look forward to each day. Ease your mind. Sometimes you feel that meditation or taking a walk is a waste of time. You always have an excuse for not doing it because you have no time. It's so important to balance your life, to find time to quiet your mind before bed and also in the morning before you get started for your day. By doing this, it creates balance in your life. Write down your thoughts for the day. Create a monthly goal for setting a routine. Many people have said that writing down their thoughts daily helped them achieve 99% of their goals with ease, as it became something created in the subconscious mind. Journaling also helps you wind down and reflect on the day. Mind dumping is so important as it puts so much into perspective and helps you to plan that for the next day, week, or month. Reading is also a great way to calm and relax your mind. It's a way to take yourself out of the daily busy mind syndrome, sometimes called monkey brain. So remember to remind yourself that doing nothing is not necessarily being lazy. It's a way to balance your life and keep your mind clear and creative. Make it a habit by including time in your diary, and you will see how your life changes. By creating this habit of easing your mind and balancing your life, you'll most certainly notice a remarkable change. Discover what makes you productive. What does productivity mean to you? You need to set goals first. If you want to increase your productivity, understand what's driving you to do it. Yes, you probably want to make more money and be able to go on vacations, but why do you want those things? What is the hunger or purpose that's driving your actions? Do you want to be the best version of yourself? Keeping your ultimate purpose in mind will help you steer yourself in the right direction even when things get rough. And here's our bonus tip: outsource what you can't do for yourself. Outsourcing can help clear your mind and make you more peaceful, and you'll find time for yourself, which will help create a sense of well-being, which in essence promotes creativity and harmony in your life to be more productive. Being productive and seeing results also gives you much pleasure, as it stimulates the serotonin levels and makes you happy. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about motivation, personal growth, inspiration, and more. Check out this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.